Hello guys, welcome to 5D FPV channel. This video I will put a GPS onto my KISS flight controller V2. Let's see how it works. First of all, we need to wire the equipment right, so check the wiring manual on your GPS module and check the wiring diagram on the KISS flight controller V2. For me, I am using ByteNB N220 here, and in order to wire it up, the TX port on the GPS module goes to the RX port on the KISS flight controller, and the RX port on the GPS module goes to the TX port on the KISS flight controller. Don't mess it up. And you can choose TX1 or TX3, RX1 or RX3. Just use the same number, TX1 with RX1, TX3 with RX3. Just pick one. For me, I choose this connector here, and there is a 3.3 volt output on this connector. I use 3.3 volt output because I found a recommendation on this wiring diagram. It says that 5 volt may overheat the GPS module over time, so I choose 3.3 volt and it works. And then after you wire the equipment correctly, then goes to the KISS GUI under the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the serial config option and check the box to use advanced serial configuration, and then you will see the numbers of serial you have, and choose the number that you have connected the GPS module onto the KISS flight controller. If you use TX and RX3, then you need to change serial number 3 to be GPS. Then save, and then it's time to test. And for testing, you need to choose the location correctly. Open space, not obstructed by a tree, a building, or even a car, because it will affect how good the GPS module can receive the satellite signals. Now you can turn on your remote controller, power on your drone with the GPS on, of course, and then you can go to the telemetry tab on the remote controller and find the discover new sensor option. Click enter on it to discover new sensor, and then wait. There should be new parameters shown up like ground speed, altitude, GPS coordinate, and number of satellites. If those parameters show up, it means that the GPS module is working. Now it's the matter whether the GPS module can receive satellite signal or not. So, for example, if I put my drone in the middle of the road in front of my house, it can receive up to 7 satellite signal, and the signal is solid. But if I move the drone toward my house just a few feet away, then the satellite numbers may drop down to 0 at some moment. So place your drone and your GPS in the right position for testing. And that is all for this video. I hope you will like it, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, all the supports, and see you next video. Bye bye.